This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, July the 29th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening. Fairly quiet across the country, a few showers and storms over the plains, some over the east coast, and the monsoonal flow continuing over the desert southwest. The watch warning map from a little bit before midnight last night, the heat advisories and excessive heat warnings just to our south over the plains and middle Mississippi Valley, flood issues over New England and in New Mexico, and elsewhere it's quiet. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, showing the heaviest rainfall will be over the desert southwest with the monsoon along the east coast and the south. Most of the rain you see around here will be done by early today. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. The heat bubble over the southern plains where the heat advisories and excessive heat warnings are. We still have a northwesterly flow, and we could see some early morning showers and maybe a rumble with thunder, but most of the rain should be gone by noon today. And clearing skies and temperatures seasonal even here into Monday. 80s here Monday with mostly sunny skies and most of the rain well off to our east and southeast at this point. Tuesday, still seeing temperatures around here in the 80s to maybe a few low 90s around. The main heat still off to our south and west and still dry. Wednesday, still dry across the area. Rain to our south over Missouri and Illinois and along the east coast, but nothing around here. Temperatures around a couple degrees either side of 90 at this point, even here into Thursday. We will have to watch by Thursday this disturbance to our north and west. It could kick off a shower or storm around here on Thursday night into Friday. But some of the models are being a little bit pessimistic with the rain, so we'll just say there's a chance of some showers and storms, regardless of whether they stay in the model or forecast or not, and even here into Saturday, to start off the first weekend of August. There's still a isolated chance of a shower or storm around with highs a couple degrees either side of 90. And a week from today, on August the 5th, pretty decent trough around the Great Lakes, and the heat bubble still well off to our south. And a frontal have come through, which could bring some cooler temperatures back into this first full week of August. So we'll see if that happens at that time. A couple days later, August 9th, disturbance just to our west. The flow fairly weak and zonal across the country at this point. If this is right, we could see some possible showers and storms around, but they'll be very isolated. And a possible tropical disturbance just south and east of Florida over the Bahamas. We'll have to wait and see if that happens. And at the end of the forecast on August 13th, storm track back to the north again. But no real extreme heat at this point. The levels are a little bit lower than the last couple of days when we had hundreds. And there's our tropical storm or hurricane or something in the Gulf. We'll see if that happens. It'll probably be gone on the next run, but around here we could see some activity, but that could be gone too. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Monday.